Tom and Fred were two adventurous boys who lived in a small village surrounded by thick forests and mysterious caves. Known for their curiosity and bravery, they were always seeking new quests in their tranquil surroundings. One day, an intriguing rumor began to circulate among the villagers of a strange creature residing deep within the forest, a creature said to be a monster but with a twist, it was a friendly one. Intrigued by the tale and eager for adventure, Tom turned to Fred with a thought, if the monster is real, maybe it's lonely. Fred, always eager to support his friend, nodded with enthusiasm. We should find it and be its friend, he suggested. With a sense of purpose, they packed their backpacks with snacks, a flashlight, and a worn map left over from previous adventures. As dawn broke, they embarked on their new journey, eager to solve the mystery that enchanted the village. The forest was dense, a tapestry woven with ancient trees whose leaves whispered secrets to the wind. Surrounding them was a chorus of unusual forest noises, each sound adding to the excitement of their quest. As they delved deeper, they picked up on the clues, a trail of enormous footprints etched into the earth. They noticed claw marks on trees and branches broken in peculiar ways. After hours of persistent searching, they came upon a hidden cave, its entrance enveloped in a glow of soft, blue light. Cautiously, they ventured inside, their hearts pounding in their chests. To their astonishment, they discovered the creature, a large, furry being with eyes full of kindness and a hint of fear. Initially hesitant, the creature soon sensed the boys' good intentions. Tom named the creature Milo, and what began as a mission of curiosity blossomed into a day of laughter, games, and newfound friendship. Milo and the boys communicated through gestures and expressions, bridging the gap of language with universal kindness. The boys promised to return, bringing with them small tokens and stories from the village. As they left the cave that evening, they knew they had found something truly special. Milo was no longer lonely, and Tom and Fred learned that friendship often lies where it's least expected.